29 years after Operation Blue Star, former Punjab DGP KPS Gill has once again raked up the issue. Gill made a controversial statement that army should not have been used to counter terrorists in Punjab.
He further says that the police should have been given a chance to tackle the issue, but his statements didn't really go down well with the top army officers in the country who slammed Gill's statements.
And it should never have been done. Just as Operation Blue Star was run, Operation Brinjal was.
Those comments by former Punjab top cop kicking up a row. Nearly 29 years after Operation Blue Star, KPS Gill has raked up the matter once again, stating that the army should not have been used to counter the insurgents in the Golden Temple in 1984. As it caused mistrust between the people and security forces, adding that the army had hijacked the mission from the state police.
Just as Operation Blue Star was run, Operation Brinjal was. And I had, जो भी आदमी मेरी बात सुनता था उसमें कहता ये आर्मी की सिचुएशन नहीं है. Assam police is a very competent police force. उसको स्ट्रेंथन करो, उसको empower करो, they will tackle.
His views evoking strong reaction, with several former army bosses slamming the former Punjab DIG.
They had something like almost 50 LMGs, light machine guns, deployed all around besides other weapons. They were convinced in their mind that the army or the security forces will never be employed to raid the Golden Temple. And to deal with the police, he was adequately equipped. And he could throw them out.
That particular time, the police was non-functional in Punjab. There was no police and authority over there. You remember a DIG of police being killed and thrown outside the Golden Temple. The administration had collapsed. So what could the government do? They couldn't let the police continue. So where is the question of hijacking? I don't understand this statement at all.
Clearly, an unwarranted comment by the former top cop, coming decades after the dust had settled on a bloody episode in Indian history. Bureau Report, Times Now.